welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do the face mask for acne and sunburn. These are the ingredients which I'm going to use in this face mask. I already prepared the potato paste here. I used half potato and then make the paste, and then I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of gram flour in it, and then 1 teaspoon of olive oil and 1 teaspoon of honey I'm going to add. So after adding all the ingredients, mix it very well, and if you feel it watery, add more gram flour so that it will become thick paste, and when you will apply it on your face, it will not run out from your face. Now I'm going to tell you the benefits of the ingredients which I added in this one. Potatoes can help lighten dark spots related to skin freckles or sunburn. Honey will help you balance the bacteria on your skin. Honey is very good to treat acne. Gram flour, it has certain properties that treat acne. Olive oil moisturizes and fight bacteria. Overall, this remedy is very good for acne and sunburn. Mix it very well and make a thick paste. I'm going to show you how to apply it on your face. It's ready now. You can use face mask brush or your fingers to apply it on your face. After applying on your face, leave it for 15 to 20 minutes. And wash it off with the water. Please don't use any face wash or soap on your face after washing face mask, and apply any moisturizer on your face. And please avoid talking when it is going to dry. When your face mask is going to dry, please avoid talking, so that it will create wrinkles on your face. If you talk when your skin is going to be tight with the face mask, if you talk, it's not good. So better avoid speaking or talking to anyone. If you like my video, please like, comment and subscribe, and please don't forget to press the bell icon so that you will not miss any upcoming videos. Thank you so much for your love. God bless you all. Enjoy the video.